Okay, so here is our Spyder II, pretty much ready to go. As you will have already seen, we've already ripped the test files, and they've been ripped to 600 dpi TIFFs, and those TIFFs have been ripped into a Hotfolder, which is on our network between the RIP workstation and the Spyder workstation, which is the PC that is inside the box down there. That's the PC that controls the Spyder input queues and does all the templating for the different screen frame sizes that you're going to be using. If you look at the user interface on the Spyder machine, this is touchscreen. So when I start looking at the files which we've brought in, you can see there's a preview window, so you can see them, and there's the 4 images, the 2 colour stone rose job and the 2 single colour jobs. When we bring a file in for printing on the Spyder, we need to associate it with a template, which is basically a specific screen frame size. At the moment we're using a 25 by 36 inch screen, which is too big. See the screen where we set up the templates for different screen sizes. You'll see that here for the 23-31 inch screen we're auto centering, and we've got a 2.5 inch offset on the y-axis from the top of the screen, and our maximum image size on this particular screen frame is 18 inches wide by 22 inches high, and you'll see that bidirectional printing is checked, which means it will print in high speed mode. Okay, and we'll set that as our default, and just check that now. You'll see that we've got the image centered with a 2.5 inch offset from the top of the screen, exactly as the doctor ordered. Okay, so to print this image now, or indeed any of the images, whatever image is at the top of the queue, which in this case at the moment is Rosaria, that's the image that's going to print next. And you've got the print button here, so as soon as I hit the print button, which I'll do with the touchscreen interface, the job's going to start. That's what you'll see now. And there, with the centering and the 2.5 inch offset from the top of the screen, you'll see that the image is going to be fairly nicely centered in the middle of this screen. Depending on the size of the image, we might want to change that y-axis offset so doesn't start the image quite so far down the screen. But I think actually for this image this is going to be okay. And you can see how quickly it's imaging. And this is a fairly full-sized image in terms of the area, and it's just charging through it, as you can see.